Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be looking at how to make effective observations when moving away. So during the driving test you'll be asked to pull up on the left on multiple occasions and then asked to move away. Okay, and the examiner is just checking to see if you're able to move away safely. And one of the most important parts is making sure you observe and take effective observations, which basically just means you're looking all the way around the car, up and down the road, and just making sure that it's safe to go. A lot of people rush this part of the test. You don't need to. You can take your time. That's kind of one of the most important parts, right? Because you'll be asked to pull up on the left and the examiner will immediately say, okay, drive on when you're ready. And that kind of in itself causes you to rush, which you don't need to, okay? So once the examiners ask you to drive on when you're ready or move away when you're ready, first thing we do is just prepare the car. So we go clutch down into first gear. That's got to be the first thing. Then we set the gas if we need to. We can get the biting point if we need to. Once you've got your feet ready, then the next step is to do your observations. So all we're doing is we're looking around the car. So first of all, we start to the rear. So looking through the rear window as much as we can. Looking for any cars pulling out of driveways, any people walking behind the car. Then we move across to our side mirror, left side mirror. So we're looking again just into the mirror, looking for any activity, any other road users that might impact us as we move away. Then we switch to the center mirror, again just kind of looking through the mirror or into the mirror and looking for any activity behind the car. As we move around, then we're looking ahead down the road for any vehicles coming towards us. Then we go to the right mirror. This is a very important check here, because this is going to basically show you if you're going to get impacted by anyone, it's going to be anyone coming down the road from behind. Then we look over our shoulder to the back. If you can't see through the side window, it doesn't matter too much, but just try and look as much as you can. Again, you're looking for, really what you're doing is you're looking for activity, anyone coming out the driveways, rather than trying to look down the road, okay? Then you have two options. So once you've done all those observations, it's either going to be clear or it's not. If it's clear, then you can start to signal, release the handbrake and start moving, okay? Whilst you're doing that, continue to check the side mirror. So don't just check it once and then go, okay, that's it. Because if in the time that you signal and you release the handbrake and you're starting to move, then and a vehicle comes, you got to change your mind. And don't be afraid of changing your mind. Someone comes from ahead or someone comes from behind, just restart the process, okay? If it's clear, obviously signal, release the handbrake, move away. If someone's coming, then wait. If someone's coming and it's one vehicle and they've gone, you must recheck your blind spot on the right hand side and your mirror. You don't have to repeat the checks to the left. It's not necessary, okay? I hope that helps with how to make effective observations. So, any questions, just leave a comment. Thank you.